I like trains.
Hello everyone. We've got a CSX coming. I018. Intermodal.
First video on this side of the train tracks.
Yep. Few autoracks and some intermodal cars. Very short. I can already see the end. Look how short it is. Oh, I see the other one. NS. Look at this. See, look, the train meet. Oh, shoot. Look at that. That's what happens here on a daily basis. Train meets galore. That was cool. 5316. That was the lead engine on the previous train. That was a K5 HLA horn, very rare horn. And that engine that just rolled through had a P5. So
We got a double. I can't believe it.
oh, this happens every time I go here. I'm not shocked one bit. This is 25p most likely. I think. I don't know. This is our last train of the day. Oh, look how short this one is. What the? Wow. I've been streaming for 2 minutes and 2 trains passed. How about that? Thank you all for watching here from Homestead. This is the old man guy signing off. And everyone watching, have a great day wherever you may be.